In the ever-evolving landscape of finance, a new frontier has emerged that's redefining the very essence of investment. Enter the captivating realm of decentralized finance, affectionately known as DeFi. This isn't just an investment trend, it's a revolution that's rewriting the rulebook of traditional finance and offering exhilarating opportunities to investors. Hold onto your seats as we embark on a journey into the heart of DeFi, where cutting-edge technology meets financial innovation. In this video, we'll unveil the secrets, strategies, and sheer excitement that await those who dare to venture into this brave new world of finance. Get ready to witness a financial landscape transformed, where you have the power to shape your financial destiny like never before. Understanding DeFi. In a rapidly changing financial world, it's essential to grasp the foundations of this dynamic landscape. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is the core of this freeing transformation. Imagine a world where financial transactions happen without the need for banks, intermediaries, or paperwork. This isn't just a dream, it's the revolutionary essence of DeFi. At its heart, DeFi is a paradigm shift. It's a digital ecosystem built on blockchain technology, where financial services are decentralized, transparent, and open to anyone with an internet connection. Instead of relying on traditional banks, DeFi platforms use smart contracts to automate and execute transactions. These contracts operate without human intervention, ensuring trust and efficiency. Through DeFi, you can lend, borrow, trade, and invest in digital assets like never before. It's like having the keys to the kingdom of finance, with the power to control your wealth and destiny. But to truly harness this power, you need to understand the nuts and bolts of DeFi. The benefits of DeFi investing. In the world of investment, few opportunities come close to the thrill and potential unleashed by DeFi. It's not just another way to grow your money, it's a whole new level of financial empowerment. Imagine this: high yields that can outperform traditional investments, the freedom to trade 24/7 without geographical restrictions, and a pathway to financial inclusion for millions who've been left out of the traditional banking system. That's just the tip of the iceberg. DeFi is a realm where financial intermediaries become relics of the past, and you, the investor, are in control. With DeFi, your assets aren't tied up in a vault. They're accessible at your fingertips, ready to be put to work. It's a world where financial borders dissolve and opportunities abound. But these aren't just empty promises. DeFi has a track record of delivering these benefits and more. DeFi investment strategies. Now that we've glimpsed the exciting world of DeFi and its tantalizing benefits, let's dive headfirst into the strategies that can make your investment dreams a reality. DeFi isn't just about possibilities, it's about actionable opportunities that can skyrocket your financial future. Picture this: DeFi offers a plethora of investment avenues that go far beyond the traditional buy and hold approach. From yield farming to liquidity provision and staking, DeFi opens doors to strategies that are as diverse as they are promising. Each strategy comes with its own set of risks and rewards, making it crucial to choose the one that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. In the realm of DeFi, your assets become active participants, earning you returns in innovative and exciting ways. It's not just about watching your investments grow. It's about actively participating in a financial ecosystem that rewards you for your contributions. The risks and challenges. In the electrifying world of DeFi, where opportunities abound, it's crucial not to get carried away by the excitement. Just as in any adventure, there are obstacles and pitfalls to navigate. We'll equip you with the knowledge and insights needed to steer clear of potential hazards. Consider this: DeFi, while revolutionary, isn't without its risks. Smart contract vulnerabilities, hacks, and regulatory concerns loom on the horizon. These are the challenges that, if left unaddressed, can turn an exhilarating DeFi journey into a rocky one. But here's the catch: recognizing and understanding these risks is half the battle. With the right information and precautions, you can minimize the downsides and protect your investments. In fact, being aware of the challenges can make your DeFi journey even more thrilling, as you'll be better prepared to navigate the twists and turns. DeFi trends and innovations. As we venture further into the exhilarating world of decentralized finance, DeFi, it's time to set our sights on the future. We'll unveil the dynamic trends and groundbreaking innovations that are shaping the DeFi landscape, making it one of the most exciting realms for investors. Think of DeFi as a technological cauldron where innovation never sleeps. Here, we'll explore the latest trends that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, that democratize decision-making to the explosive rise of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, that are redefining ownership and digital art, the world of DeFi is a hut of creativity. Moreover, the quest for cross-chain interoperability is breaking down the barriers between blockchain networks, creating a seamless and interconnected DeFi ecosystem. These innovations are not just reshaping finance, they're revolutionizing the way we interact with the digital world. Getting started with DeFi investments. Now that you're armed with knowledge about the thrilling world of DeFi, it's time to take action. We'll provide you with the essential steps and insights needed to embark on your own DeFi investment journey. Imagine this: you, as an empowered investor, have the tools at your disposal to make strategic moves in the world of decentralized finance. You're not just a spectator, you're an active participant in a financial revolution. But where do you start? Fear not, we got you covered. We'll guide you through the process, from setting up your digital wallet to conducting thorough research and making your first DeFi investment. It's a journey that begins with a single step, and we're here to ensure you take that step confidently and knowledgeably. Regulatory landscape. In the fast-paced world of decentralized finance, DeFi, where innovation knows no bounds, there's a crucial element that can't be overlooked: regulation. As DeFi continues to reshape the financial landscape, it's essential to understand the evolving regulatory landscape that surrounds it. Consider this a pivotal part in our DeFi adventure, where we'll navigate the intricate web of regulations that are beginning to take shape. From governments to financial watchdogs, there's growing interest in how DeFi fits within the existing legal framework. But don't let the word regulation dull your excitement. We'll provide you with a clear understanding of the regulatory considerations, both present and future, and how they may impact your DeFi investments. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving aspect of the DeFi journey, and staying informed is the key to thriving in this thrilling financial frontier. Top DeFi projects to watch. In the pulsating heart of the DeFi universe lies a treasure trove of projects and platforms, each vying to redefine how we interact with finance. This is your backstage pass to some of the most captivating DeFi projects that have captured the spotlight. Picture this: a dazzling array of projects spanning lending, decentralized exchanges, stablecoins, and more, all competing to revolutionize their respective niches. These projects aren't just potential game changers, they're already making waves in the world of finance. We'll take you on a thrilling tour of these DeFi gems, offering insights into their unique features, strengths, and potential for explosive growth. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a newcomer, these projects are poised to shape the future of finance, and you won't want to miss the opportunity to explore their innovative offerings. As we near the end of our exhilarating journey through the world of decentralized finance, DeFi, it's time to reflect on the remarkable adventure we've embarked upon. The DeFi revolution isn't just a passing trend. It's a seismic shift in the financial landscape that's here to stay. In this video, we've explored the incredible potential, benefits, and strategies of DeFi investing. We've delved into the risks and challenges, ensuring you're well prepared to navigate this thrilling frontier. We've glimpsed the trends and innovations shaping the future, and we've provided you with the guidance needed to take those crucial first steps into the world of DeFi investments. DeFi is a realm where financial empowerment meets limitless possibilities. It's about seizing control of your financial destiny, breaking free from conventional constraints, and engaging in a global financial ecosystem that never sleeps. But here's the essence of it all. DeFi isn't just about financial growth. It's about empowerment. It's about taking control of your financial destiny, breaking free from the constraints of traditional finance, and participating in a global financial ecosystem that operates around the clock. As you step into this new frontier, remember that your journey is a thrilling one, filled with opportunities and discoveries yet to be made. Stay curious, stay vigilant, and stay excited, because the future of finance is at your fingertips, and it's a future where you can be the architect of your financial success. So, ignite your DeFi journey, embrace the revolution, and set your sights on a financial horizon where the possibilities are as vast as the cosmos. The future of finance is yours to shape, and it's a future filled with thrilling opportunities. Welcome to the future of finance. It's time to light the way. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss our future content. Also, click the notification bell to stay updated. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from you.